Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, it's just it's a beautiful thing, guys. When we have a plan and things go as planned, and yeah, we might not be moonshotting it right now, but we're on our way, guys. I'm telling you, we're on our way, and I just want to do this video, guys, and just give you guys an update to make sure that everybody's on the same page. So far, everything. Look, we hit our target. And in my video, my last video I did yesterday, I talked about this being the area that we would bounce and back up in the trend. And I believe this was a fake out, right? They were faking us out here. And I want to play a clip from my last video, guys. And just so you guys can hear what I said, just to make it quick, and then we'll move on. But just to hear this video. Came down, got rejected. But we also had two of our touch points. Remember, guys, I said I'm still bullish above 51,000 and higher if we can stay above $46,000, and we haven't got under there. We came close. We got into my purple box, but we have not got under this area yet. And I wouldn't be concerned with anything until we break under this area here. Once we break, 46 to 58 or to 46,000 or 45,800 area, then I would be looking for that $42,000 mark that we've been talking about. Until then, I still think there's more upside, but we still got to break the trend, because until then, to me, this is just a trap, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so
Talk about the trap.
we had an ABCD pullback, and then we had our trend line. Well, usually if you break out of this trend, we'd go down a little farther. But I talked about this maybe being a trap. If we don't break under $46,000, then to me it'd be considered a trap. Now we've came up and we tested this trend line numerous times, and I told you guys it's not good to keep getting rejected at this trend line. But eventually you keep hitting it. It's like hitting a door. You keep hitting that door. Eventually that door is going to break down. So we'll see what happens. But we do want to get back up into this trend and get a daily or 4-hour candle close up into this trend. We didn't see much of a pullback off of the ABC. That's why they are playing games with us right now. Definitely, the big wigs are definitely manipulating this market. You can just tell by
That's why we didn't fall for it, guys.
Here. They're breaking down these.
I called the trick, right?
And they're trying to set traps here.
The trap.
You could definitely see how they're playing this game. It's very interesting.
All right, so you guys get the point, right? So let's go back to the chart. What happened? Let's go to it. They played the game on us, right? They trapped us. If this broke down, then this would be our target box. Well, they gave us they painted the picture. They gave us the trap. We broke right back up into our area, and once again we were looking bullish, just exactly as I predicted this would happen, because I thought, this was a trap. Don't go for it, guys. Don't be scared. Don't listen. The reason I started this channel a couple months ago, one of the reasons I started doing technical analysis on YouTube is because it's almost like when you're taking someone's money, it's almost like you're the bully on the playground, and you're not meaning to be. You're just trying to do your job, right? You're just trained harder than the other person. It's like a boxing fight. If someone trains harder for that boxing fight, they're gonna beat you in that boxing fight more than likely. If they're in good, if you guys are the same weight and height and shape, and they train harder, they're gonna beat you because they train harder. This is all technical analysis is all it is. Okay. And when I started this channel, I felt bad because I felt like, hey guys, I'm just doing my job, because I'd get a lot of hate. I'd get when I would say, hey guys, this is going down, this is going up, I'd get a lot of hate from people, a lot of bad text messages, and just nasty things were said to me a lot. And I wasn't trying to be the person that takes your money or be the bully on the yard, but for me, it's just I worked really hard to get to this position, to do technical analysis, to be successful at it. And being successful, unfortunately, is taking other people's money in this game. That's how you're successful in this game. Okay, it's not to be mean. It's not to be dirty. But that's why I made this channel, because I want you guys to take other people's money. And I know that sounds bad, but I want you guys to be the bully on the block, because this is the name of the game. And the only way you're going to get there is to learn things and to do and to learn from all this is the main thing. It's just I'm trying to teach you guys to be the bully on the block, to train for the fight. I'm training you for the fight. This is what my channel is trying to do. I'm keeping it as basic as I can. Okay? I'm keeping it as basic, but sometimes, guys, you got to know the basics because the basics, I'm telling you, you always go back to the basics in anything. I can do all these tricks. Like I know so many so many different things I can do. I can even look at all these little indicators, and some of them are good. Like I like the MACD, of course, the RSI. Um, this is a short indicator, another RSI indicator because I like RSIs and I like MACDs. But I usually look at those on longer term time frames. Okay, the short terms, I mean, maybe a 4 hour sometimes. I'll take a glance, but it's mainly a daily or weekly where I make my moves. But dude, when it comes down to it, guys, it's support and resistance and basic. I mean, basic chart patterning. I don't know. Oops. Where did I have this? Okay, so boom, coming across here. I mean, boom, easy move, boom, boom. And I know I thought I had this on here, but maybe I didn't. But I mean, this is pretty basic, right? We break the trend and we go. So guys, I mean, I'm doing this channel to try to help and just teach you guys that basic technical analysis is really all you need. I mean, we did an easy ABCD pattern that where we knew this was going to go down from here. We were going to get a pullback. But then we also knew this was going to be a fake out if we didn't break under 46, which I talked about on my channel. So what does that mean? Guys, there's no panic here. There's no panic. If you're holding or you're worried and you're at work and you can't be on the charts all the time, there should be no panic unless we break under 46. Bottom line. And that's what we talked about in my video. So you just chill, you relax, you do what you got to do. What happens? We bounce back up, and that's what we do. Because this is called technical analysis. This is the beauty of learning technical analysis. I trained a lot of years to learn technical analysis to get to this point where I can just literally look at charts, count candles, and I could literally just look at a chart and know where the hell it's going. And excuse my language, but I mean, this is the bottom line, guys. And I want you guys to be in this situation, but you guys got to just, take in all the information. If someone's willing to help you, take that help. If you got to read a book, there's two books I recommend. Okay, one of them, the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, second edition. You can get. Okay, you can get that book. Also, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets. Okay, by John Murphy. These are great books. Read these books. Okay, and let's do this because I'm going to tell you guys right now, September coming up, and I'm going to go to Ethereum and Cardano and Matic, and I'm going to do all these charts. But September coming up is going to be a huge, huge month. In my opinion, I think crypto is going to have a great, great month in September. It's just something that I've been preparing for. I think it's going to happen. I'm very, very bullish for the next couple weeks, and I'm very excited, guys. And I gotta check Solana. I want to check Solana, but we'll do that. We'll do that another time. But I'm really excited, guys. I'm still bullish. Everything is talking about as we plan. Let's look at Ethereum chart on the daily. Sorry if I went on a little bit too long, but I just, I feel like there's a lot of people that hate on me, even when you're telling them, like what the game plan is. I mean, you're giving them the game plan. All right, so right here, Ethereum, guys, mark these numbers down. We got last week's high coming in at $3,341. Okay, we got this week's high coming in at $3,378. Okay, then we got the daily high from yesterday, which was 32.90. So we want to break that area, which we didn't. We got up to 32.87. We want to break that area for more continuation to the upside. Okay. Excuse me. Then we got our weekly low down here at my beautiful 29.50, where we took our bounce opportunity here. And then we took our bounce opportunity off my 30.50 that I called to the dollars, guys. I called these numbers to the dollars. I don't know what more you want. I mean, literally that it was, and it was 0 0 cents. So this is what we're doing here. This is technical analysis. Look, Matic. Okay, look at this. This is looking beautiful. We're coming out of this little trend. We got, and I'm going to go over this. Last week's low, 170, $1.70. Okay, the daily high from yesterday, $1.53. We want to break that. Okay, to go higher in this chart. We have the daily low from yesterday, $1.44. Okay, we don't want to break under that. We could go lower. Okay, and then we got our beautiful 136, and then our previous week low at $1.27. Okay, so write this stuff down, but I'm expecting more upside. And if we get rejected, then we could do something like this and roll over. If we do that and we make an M pattern, then I would look for my M pattern target, which would be, let's take off this lock. If we had an M pattern and this did roll over, we always want to look at the negative and the positive, guys. This is just what we do. Okay, that target would be right around 133 on the target if that did roll over. If not, and we break it and we go more to the upside, then I would look for higher prices, of course. But that's what we want to do. We want to break the previous day's high at $1.53 to go higher in the move. Okay, so now that's for Matic. We went over Ethereum. Let's go to Cardano. Cardano. Woo! This is my baby, right? So here's all of our levels. We got our day high here at $2.94. Okay, for yesterday. Okay, this is on the 4-hour chart. And then we want to break our box, which was previously, I think the high. Well, this is on Coinbase, was at 297. All right, so we want to break it. We want to break above this box. We had a little breakout where we broke out of this trend that we talked about. And guys, you can watch yesterday's video. I don't want to play it over again for you guys, but we talked about this bouncing and this potentially happening, which we did. We broke out of here, and I was talking about being bullish, of course. And I thought this was a fake out. We didn't, and I didn't think there. And I talked about this being a front run. If you watch yesterday's video, I said they're front running the move. The target would be down around this area, but I knew they would front run it because that's what they like to do. They like to make everybody think it's going down here, and they front run it. That's why it's like, that's the trap that the games they like to play. Okay, that's games. That's gamemanship at its best. They like to play those type of games where you know, that's how it goes. That's why you got to be prepared. You got to know the market. So, so here's our targets. Here's our support. This is our last layer of defense right here. We don't want to go under this $2.64 area again. I mean, we could come down here and bounce, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think there's more upside, guys. Like I said, I think September is going to be an absolutely incredible month for crypto. So I think there's more upside on all this. So you could day trade this, you could hold this. I've been telling you guys, look, if you guys watch all my videos on the dips, I said buy the dips, guys. Buy all these dips. Get as many dips as you can. Okay? And if you would have done that, you'd be up. I mean, that's just the bottom line. This is because, this is what the charts are telling us. The charts are telling us that there is more upside here. All right, you can see my purple box. We hit it We hit it 2 times. That second hit, boom, double bottom bounce. We're off to the races. Okay, so this is 1 hour. Bitcoin's looking good on the ribbons. 4 hours, Bitcoin's looking good on the ribbons. 1 hour, Ethereum is looking good on the ribbons. 4 hour, looking good on the ribbons. Let's look at the daily, actually. Daily, okay, well, I mean, obviously, if the 4 hour is looking good, the dailies are looking good. So, so all looking good on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go to Matic on the rhythms. Ribbons. What did I say? Rhythms? Jesus. Sorry for my language. But, this is looking good on the ribbons. Let's see, 4 hour. 4 hour Matic needs a move. We need a move. We need a close. We need a 4 hour candle close above 148. And then we want to see this 20 twist back up. Okay. I think that's it, guys, for tonight.
I think that's it. I had a fantasy football draft tonight, so it was a busy night for me. I'm exhausted, guys. I'm ready to go to sleep. I'll be honest with you. Listen, much love to you guys. I want to get this video out to you guys. Make sure you guys read, study, learn technical analysis because I want you guys to be able to uh, you know, take other people's money. I mean, that's the name of this game, guys, is taking money, being the bully on the block. I know it sounds bad, but that is what we're when you sell your shares or you sell your Bitcoin or you sell your crypto, whatever you're selling, you're taking someone else's money. I mean, that's just the bottom line. So um, this is what you have to learn. You don't want to be the guy where someone else is taking your money. Okay, you don't want to be that guy. So just listen, train, learn, do as much as you guys can. I'm going to teach you guys the best basic charting that you can get, which is really all you need. And then you can add stuff to it. Okay. You can add stuff to it as you go. You can start learning these ABCD patterns. You can start learning different patterns. Um, you know, there's just so much in technical analysis, guys. And if you learn it, you'll be good at it. And, you know, that's all I want. I just want everybody to be able to make money, and I just want to show the love to you guys. You guys love me back, and we all prosper from this. Listen, guys, make sure you guys follow me, Moondog Trading. That's my YouTube. Make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all, sub to my channel, hit the bell, hit the all. If you don't do that, they like to shadow ban me, so you might not see all my videos unless you hit the bell and hit the all. Okay, I'll get this video out to you guys. Listen, much love to you guys. And I'll put my Twitter account in the description. Also, I'll put a link to TradingView with a $30 discount. If you guys decide to pay, that's fine. If not, you can go to charts. You can sign up. It's free to use. Everything I'm doing, I'm making it free. I'm not adding any kind of special indicators here. I mean, I should have checked volume and stuff like that. We could do that, but we'll do that tomorrow. To me, I still think, like I said, I'm still bullish going into next week. So for me, it's just it's a feel good time for me. We're doing good. We're making money, and I love all you guys. But I'll put a link to TradingView down there. It's all free. If you do decide to sign up, you get more indicators, and you don't have to do a pop ups, and you get a $30 discount. So much love to you guys. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night. Peace out.